It is possibly the most resilient creature in nature, with the ability to be shredded into pieces and still regrow into a healthy animal. And now researchers believe they may have found an explanation for how hydras are able to infinitely regenerate their bodies. The findings provide strong evidence that these tiny organisms are immortal, with the ability to escape the aging process. The research could help scientists find ways to regenerate and repair damaged muscles in humans. Until now, it was believed that hydras used chemical signals to regrow parts of their body, but researchers from the Israel Institute of Technology suggest that pieces of hydras also have structural memory that helps them shape their body plan according to the pattern inherited by the animal skeleton. When regenerating, hydras use a tough network of stringy protein fibers, the cytoskeleton, to realign their cells. But when pieces are cut or torn from hydras, the cytoskeleton pattern survives and becomes part of the new animal. The pattern generates a small but potent amount of mechanical force that shows cells how they should line up. This mechanical force serves as a form of memory that stores information about the layout of the hydra's body. Kinneret Karen, senior author of the study, said, "You have to think of it as part of the process of defining the pattern and not just an outcome." In the study, the researchers shredded hydras into tiny pieces and observed they regenerated. They found that the scraps folded into little balls. Ms. Karen said, "If you take a strip or a square fragment and turn it into a sphere, the fibers have to change or stretch a lot to do that. But some portions retain their pattern, and as the hydra tissue ball stretches into a tube and grows a mouth, the new body parts follow the pattern dictated by the cytoskeleton to form the original hydra." Tampering with the cytoskeleton is enough to prevent hydras from reforming. While hydras are much simpler than most creatures in the animal kingdom, the basic pattern of aligned cytoskeletal fibers is common in many organs, including human muscles and hearts. The researchers hope that their findings in hydra could lead to a better understanding of how mechanics integrate with biochemical signals to shape tissues and organs in other species. Ms. Karen added, "The actomyosin cytoskeleton are the main force generator across the animal kingdom. This is very universal." In 2015, researchers at Pomona College in California published findings of an 8-year study into hydra behavior. Researchers recreated a little oasis for the hydras and gave them fresh water 3 times a week and fed them fresh brine shrimp. They found that the death rates of all the specimens were constant and very low. The results showed there was 1 death per 167 hydras each year, and 80% of the specimens' death rate remained constant no matter their age and fertility. Daniel Martinez, who led the study, said, "I do believe that an individual hydra can live forever under the right circumstances. The chances of that happening are low because hydra are exposed to the normal dangers of the wild: predation, contamination, diseases,